Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a group chat in Character.AI. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to Character.AI's application. If you don't have that application, go to the Play Store and search for Character.AI, then install this application. Make sure you follow these steps on your mobile phone because you won't be able to create Character.AI group chat on your PC or laptop. So, after installing the application, open it and log in using your user credentials. After you log in, you will see this page. That is Character.AI's chat page. Now, you will see all the recent chats in this area. And in order to create a group on Character.AI, you'll have to first of all click on this plus icon, that is the second option, create. Then you will see four options: character, group chat, persona, and voice. Simply click on the group chat option. Now you will see all the recent chats appearing. In this, you'll have to select the characters with which you want to make a group chat. So I'm going to select these characters. Now after selecting your characters that you want to add in your group, click on create group chat. After you click on this, you will see this page, that is invite friends. So you can click on invite friends and invite your friends using any platform with your link to join your group on Character.AI. So we are going to escape this, cut this out, and I just created this group using the tool in Character.AI. Now you can click on add characters and add more characters to your group. Click on save changes and it will be done. Now send a message saying hi everyone. Now you can select a character and that character will respond to your message. Now if I type in hi and select this character, as you can see, this character is responding to my messages pretty easily. You can read the chat and add more characters. Click on your group's name at the top, pencil icon at the top. After that, you'll be able to edit your group's name. Then click on save. And you also have the option to reset AI conversation, delete this group from here, and you can report it or give them feedback. So that's how you can make a group chat in Character.AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.